Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and having amazing hair while you travel just got so much easier with this Hot Tools holder from Barefoot Caribou.
I am a chronic overpacker, and that doesn't stop with just clothes. It applies also to my hair tools. And this travel case from Barefoot Caribou is incredible. It can fit all of your hot tools and the rest of your hair accessories. It has a bunch of smaller pockets on the inside, great for things like hair ties, bobby pins, clips, anything you can think of. I can fit my straightener, my curling iron, my hairbrush, some hairspray, and honestly, I have room for more, and it all fits nicely in here. The best part about this bag is that it has this great neoprene material and it has this heat resistant mat that you can put your hot tools on while you're using them, which is great if you're going somewhere like an Airbnb and you don't know what you're putting your stuff on top of and you don't want to cause any harm. This thing is perfect.
I love that I can confidently bring my Hot Tools anywhere with me and use them anytime with this amazing Hot Tools holder from Barefoot Caribou. I think it is so awesome, and that's my point of view.